Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this outfit inspired by Taylor Swift's music video Karma. Well, this is what she kind of wore. It's not obviously going to be the exact same thing, but let's get started with the video. Please ignore the back. It's going to look weird because of this hat. But we are just going to remove everything except for the one that I had adjustments on as per usual. So for the hair, I used this one and I did some adjustments to it, positioned it Y.45, rotate the X at 1, and scaled it down to 0.36. For the bangs, I just used this in the color like blonde, and I just put this on without any adjustments. Again, in the color blonde here, no adjustments. Then for this hat, I used this like beret hat. I don't know what it's called actually. I selected this color F6B768 for the adjustment. I did position Y.43, 7 at, Y at 0.43, Z at 0.36, rotate it at X.84 and scale it to 0.41. Next is the outfit. I used this one in dress color and sleeves. And I colored it this color. I think I'm going to make it a little bit like lighter because it is super light. Let's do F5FFD. And then I colored the rest black, I think. Yeah, I did. And then because there's like buttons on the shirt, we are going to use this one, I think, in a blue color. Let me see what it would look like in like a skin tone color. I mean, it's not that bad, but you can kind of see where that is. So I'm just going to stick with the blue color here and then color the rest black, like the last toggle. Whoops. What am I doing? Like that. And then for this skirt, I did use a VIP item as well, which is this one in just this blue. And then for the shoes, I used these Mary Janes in like red, but like just a little bit brighter than that, like this color maybe. And then I did add socks and I colored that white. And then I also used the broom. It's just for prop. Basically, she does have a broom with her. So let me just color that to this color first and then this one. And then let's do this one. And that is it. Super cute and super simple, perfect for music video themes. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.